GoPro HERO9 Black. See it now. Hello everyone, Adriano Araujo here to talk about the HERO9 Black. It just came out today and it's a $349 and includes 1 year of subscription to GoPro. This camera has a lot of things coming for it. They added features that their competitors already had, like the screen in the front, also mods that you can add. This camera has a lot going for it. Let's go through the items that it has. So it's a 5K camera. It has a new front display, 30% more battery life, detachable lenses, and it's waterproof for 33 feet. There's more resolution for it. It shoots 5K, and it also has zooming capabilities, and it does 4K, 2.7K, 14:4, and 1080p. Also, there's more pixels for the pictures. It is a 20 megapixels camera. It has lens mods, and one of the lens mods here, it is a 180 mod, it seems like. You can add also microphones, lights, another external screen. It has Hypersmooth 3.0, which they're saying it's very good, as you can see in that image right there. It has 8 times slow motion. It's a 240. It doesn't say here what is the resolution. I would think that the 240 is probably for 1080p. They're talking about Time Warp 3.0 that also has some stabilization on it. It's talking about doing 30 seconds of footage before you actually start recording. So I guess that is good if you click record, but you saw something, but before you clicked it, you already had it pointed, so it goes back a little. It has live burst, which is record 1.5 seconds before and after your shot. Oh, it has a schedule capture, which is pretty interesting. That, let's say you want to take some images from the night. You say, let's start capturing at 5:35 a.m. for instance, and then it starts capturing. It also allows you to say capture 30 minutes or capture 15 minutes. So there's a duration capture. You now are able to stream. I'm not 100% sure how that works, but it's probably together with your phone. And again, it has all the mods and things like that. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to put the video on that you can actually see what their marketing is telling about it. Okay? Alright, let's go back to the specs. These are all the tech specs on it. So there's a shutter, there's a status light in the front. The camera lenses are removable and replaceable with different ones. There's a microphone in the front, there's a front LCD. The fingers here, it's the GoPro mount. You can fold it. So what else? On the side there's the mode button, and there's a drain microphone. Oh, so it's a microphone that allows, I guess, underwater. In the back it has a status light and touch screen like before. On the other side it has a door where the battery goes, the SD goes, there's a door latch, and it's a USB-C behind the door right there, and you can see a clips comparison to it. And in the bottom it's the folding fingers. They call it folding fingers, but there is also a speaker behind the folding fingers. So it's a 20 megapixel camera, a 4K 60 frames per second, a 5K 30 frames per second. It goes 30 feet down underwater. It has Hyper Smooth 3.0, built-in microphone, built-in mounting. There's a slow motion capabilities up to 240 frames per second, and it probably tells us how fast on what resolution that goes. There's data overlays, and I don't know what that means. It has a 1080p live streaming capabilities, voice control like before, schedule capture, super photo HDR, so it's got HDR built in for pictures, and also takes raw pictures. The camera features. So the key features on it is it's built-in with the folding, yada yada yada. I'll put a link in the description so you can actually read all those for yourself. Once I sell my GoPro 6, I'll get a hand off GoPro 9 and have a hands-on review and let you know how I like it. I'll talk to you guys later. Thank you very much for participating on this video. If you like it, please click like, subscribe to my channel, and click on the bell to receive notifications of all the new videos I post. Thank you again, and I'll see you next time.